When Katrina hit, I remember seeing my friends and family drowning in the richest country in the world. What did we do? What did we learn? We learned that science was not enough to move lawmakers into action. We learned that countries around the world would pledge to fix the problem, but would only increase their emissions. We learned the big banks would pledge to fight climate change, but then would invest $2.7 trillion in fossil fuels. The climate crisis continues to worsen because the banks continue to finance it. The top 4 banks that fund fossil fuels are all U.S. banks: J.P. Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Citi, and Bank of America. We had 15 years to slow down the climate crisis so that Katrina doesn't happen again. But then we had Sandy and Irma and Ike and Michael and Harvey and Maria and so many more. When the next Katrina comes, and it will come, we will not be able to pile into the Louisiana Superdome and sleep on cots in a pandemic. Learning the lesson of Katrina, we must find our shared humanity. We must care for one another. We don't have another 15 years to lose.